Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will discuss about ergonomic in workplace. For your information, we will have online classes for 3 weeks after the semester break because of the time of gap before Eidul Fitri. For Muslims is only 3 weeks, so it would be watchful to return to campus and then go back to the village with such a short time gap. Ergonomics is the study of designing tools, tasks and environments to fit the capability and limitation of people. It aims to optimize human well-being and performance by minimizing discomfort, fatigue, and injury while maximizing productivity, also and efficiency. So, why ergonomics is important? Ergonomic is important because it helps prevent injury, also reduce discomfort and enhance productivity in various settings such as workplace, home, and public spaces. By considering human factors in design, ergonomics also improves overall well-being and also safety and efficiency for individual performing tasks or using equipment. What will happen if not prevented? In a nutshell, ergonomics is vital for designing environments, tools, and tasks to fit people's needs, preventing discomfort, injury, and boosting productivity. Neglecting ergonomics can lead to musculoskeletal disorders, causing chronic pain, reduced productivity, and long-term health issues. It's crucial to prioritize ergonomic practices to ensure well-being and efficiency in various settings.
One of the most common ergonomic problems at home is heavy lifting. In home environment, there is no specific procedure in heavy lifting. Incorrect method or technique in lifting can cause back pain, spine injury, slip disc, or trip and fall. To prevent all of these risks, we need to use ergonomic and safe lifting. For example, use lifting squat technique. Furthermore, insufficient lighting also contribute ergonomic issue at home. Poor lighting condition can lead to eye strain, headache, and stress. In order to manage ergonomic lighting condition, we need to ensure enough lighting quantity and correct bulb voltage. On-screen time become common issue for people. Too long on-screen time can cause damaged eyesight vision, neck pain, and fatigue. To prevent all of this, everybody needs to limit on-screen time by night. Moreover, too high kitchen tabletop sometimes create a lot of risks for people, such as shoulder pain, muscle strains, and sprained ankle. Use safety tool to prevent it. Next one is slippery bathroom floor has caused a lot of accident, injury, including fatality. Slip and trip was the main risk for slippery floor. To prevent this, we need to put an anti-slippery mat.
The next ergonomic problem is inadequate ventilation in the rooms. This might lead to overheating because there is no air circulation happening inside the rooms. You can see it for yourself how hot it could be. To avoid overheating, we came up with a solution by installing ceiling fans to improve air circulation and maintaining standard temperature inside the rooms. Besides that, you may too open the window whenever it is possible to allow fresh air to circulate throughout the house. Aside from inadequate ventilation, uncomfortable workstation were an ergonomic problems in our surroundings too. This may contribute to an injury such as back pain and neck pain. So, to refrain from any injuries to happen, you may purchase a proper ergonomic accessory such as monitor stand, keyboard trays, and a footrest to maintain a neutral posture while you are working or studying. The next ergonomic problem is the repetitive movement during household tasks such as folding laundry. This problem might lead to back pain and wrist strain. as we were doing it repeatedly. So, in order to avoid any injuries is by frequently taking a break while you were doing the task. Or, you may also make a little stretching while you're taking a break. The next ergonomic problem is uncomfortable sleeping position that may lead to neck pain, back pain, muscle and joint problems. So, to refrain from any injuries, we can prevent it by using supportive pillows and mattress that will align your spine and maintain your right posture during your sleep. The last ergonomic problem is poorly designed storage spaces. This might lead to back pain and spine or ankle sprain. So, to avoid an unwanted injury is by buying an adjustable shelving unit or a ladder, because commonly the shelves were built above our waist and it makes us hard to reach the items on the top of the shelves, and it may make our spine or back sprain. And also with the limited spaces and the crowded items, it makes us hard and uncomfortable to move.
For the final discussion, the question ponders the mind: what industry relates to the ergonomic problem we face at home? As a quick recap, the ergonomic problems we face at home as students joining for online classes are heavy lifting, insufficient lighting, unsupervised screen time, inappropriate height for working areas, slippery floor, inadequate ventilation, uncomfortable workstations, repetitive movements, uncomfortable sleeping positions, and poorly designed storage system. Heavy lifting affects the construction, healthcare, and retail industries. Insufficient lighting mainly affect the manufacturing and assembly sector. The process they go through that needs sufficient lighting are precision assembly, where they work with intricate parts. Quality inspection, where inspectors scan for defects of the product. Third, machine operations, since they need to have clear visibility of controls, display, and moving parts. Lastly, material handling, to ensure picking and packing packages at warehouses are sorted smoothly. Furthermore, inappropriate height for working areas eventually bring consequences to construction and building trade sectors, which constantly need to be working at height, overhead work, material handling, and be in awkward postures. In this particular industry, there have been systems to ensure the safety of workers, such as fall protection system, proper training, proper ergonomic equipment, scheduled job rotations, and regular inspections. Despite that, slippery floor primarily affects the hospitality and food sector, such as restaurants, hotels, and catering services. Following through, inadequate ventilation results into the manufacturing sector, particularly in facilities where various processes generate airborne contaminants, heat, and fumes. Uncomfortable workstation affects office-based sector, including professions such as administrative roles, customer services, data entry, software development, and similar occupations where employees spend significant amount of time working at desks and computer workstations. Repetitive movements such as in the food processing and packaging industry, where they frequently perform repetitive tasks involving handling, sorting, processing, and packaging of food products. With that, concludes our ergonomic safety awareness video. Remember, my friends, when jobs are designed to match the capabilities of people, it results in better work being done and a better experience for the person doing it. If you love how you work, you will never work a day in your life. Thank you.